Hey, it's the freestyle king and rappers always wanna swing. If I stop rapping now, you'll still buy it if I sing. Shut the fuck up, Eyedea, you ain't doing nothing yet. I cut your neck off, MCs, they just talk, they weak, so please shut the fuck off. Rappers, they really stepping to me, I guarantee they gon' cough. I make rappers walk out of here, not even in a half walk. Limp, I'm a pimp, MCs don't know that I grip and cripple these whack individuals who think they get lyrical. Here it goes, lyrically, I release the spirituals inside of me. MCs get a lobotomy, they on my dick quick, everything I spit beats, they riding me. Why they even try to freestyle like me? I don't even know why, cause you know I'll be the wildest MC on the planet. MCs can't even understand it. I damage a rapper and leave him with a fucking bandage on the top of his head, dropping these dead MCs, leaving their white shirt red from the blood dripping, the blood flipping the mic. Motherfuckers ain't know when I kick it tight. These rappers on my dick cause I be spitting so high. People like, man, do you really do it off the top? Yeah, no punchlines, no cue cards, my crew's hard. And rappers, you'll get scarred, chopped up and dipped in sugar like some rhubarb. You wanna battle? That's cool, God. I ain't trying to trip, I'm just trying to ride. I would've been a judge, but these motherfuckers wouldn't let me sit on the side. I was like, dude, I wanna just sit in here for the chair. Rappers wanna prepare, they be pulling out their hair like Kevin Beecham. Let my voice go and let me reach them. On the microphone, MCs know they just weak crumbs. Trying to step to me, even though I didn't enter. Probably wouldn't, nah, shut up. Hey, yo, I just come and cut up. Yo, I don't wanna go there. These rappers on the microphone don't know that I'm so rare. Oh yeah, that's how it goes. Eyedea be the fattest with the flow. When I straight be switching, never shit is never individual or criminal. I rhyme, it doesn't make sense. Rappers is stupid and defenseless. Shut the fuck up when I'm rapping to you. My name's Eyedea, and I can sock it to you. Your girlfriend probably likes me, but I don't like her. I ride her like a bike word, kick tight words. Your mama got a typewriter, and she's transcribing my rhyme. I be riding the mine, and of course I'm gon' shine. Shattering rappers' spines, you think their pattern is fine. They grab that, they rhyme, this is my nutsack climb. They wanna try to get props, I never stop. I freestyle off the top and get rappers on my jock. They're like little pubic elves, swinging from the trees, thinking that if they ride my dick, they'd be a dope MC, but that ain't happening. Let me start rapping it. Cats got no hands and they still start clapping with their ear to their shoulder. Here I'm like doper. I didn't enter this year, but that's why it's over. Yo, I'm just kidding, it's fun. Yo, I grab him. Yo, I'ma shut the fuck up. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I was watching that battle. I was like, that shit was hype, so I just, you know, had a little bit of energy inside of me to give to y'all. Peace.